Is Lexmark MC3426i color laser multifunction wireless printer. Every photographer needs a printer that can keep up with their fast-paced and demanding workflow. The Lexmark MC3426i color laser multifunction wireless printer is an all-in-one solution that can help increase your efficiency and productivity without sacrificing quality or security. With the fastest print speed and lightning-fast two-sided scanning, this printer is built to keep up with even the busiest photographers. And with the option to add 2 input trays, you can increase paper capacity or hold up to 3 different media types at once, making it even easier to switch between printing tasks. Plus, with its extra high-yield toner, you can enjoy the lowest printing costs around. But the Lexmark MC3426i isn't just fast and efficient, it's also guaranteed to last. With a 1-year on-site warranty and next business day service, you can trust that your printer will always be up and running when you need it. And with its fast Gigabit network connection and full mobile support, you can print and share from any device, anywhere, anytime. And when it comes to security, the Lexmark MC3426i has you covered. With end-to-end security that protects your information on the device, over the network, and at all points in between, you can feel confident that your data is safe and secure. But best of all, the Lexmark MC3426i is also sustainable. You can feel good about your environmental impact with automatic two-sided printing, the ability to use up to 100% recycled paper, and free and easy toner cartridge recycling. So if you're looking for a printer that can keep up with the demands of your photography business, look no further than the Lexmark MC3426i color laser multifunction wireless printer. To purchase this printer right now, check out the link in the description box.